So carrier sense multiple access CSMA is quite similar to Aloha, but there are basic minor differences which is easy for you to understand. Just you have to change one or two words. What? Let us see now. It's also to say highlighted over here. So let us read. Carrier sense multiple access is a network protocol used to manage data. Same thing over a shared medium. So first basic. So you can also write the random access definition here. Its main purpose is research. So here, purpose of this is since we encountered collisions in Aloha. So here it is the main purpose. See, I'll just highlight keyword reduce collisions by ensuring that the station first listens to the medium before sending the sense what it first checks whether the medium is busy or not, the line is busy or not. Then only it will take action. Okay, so see here. You can simply write again sense before transmit, listen before talk. Both have the same meaning. So how this works? First, first it senses the station before transmitting. It's idle or busy. If medium is idle, the station proceeds to send data. If the medium is busy, the station waits and checks again after a short period. What to say? Easy to understand. If it is idle, just send off. If it is busy, wait for some time and then retransmit. Propagation delay. The medium collision can still occur due to the time it takes for signals to propagate across the network. Sometimes, like the it's too far, so before it was like it should be supposed to complete within a time, but it takes too much time, a lot of time. So propagation delay occurs over there. So there are three types of CSMA: one persistent, non-persistent, and P-persistent. So one persistent in the sense what as soon as the line is idle, it will immediately sends the data, which can lead to collision because at the same many and since the medium is idle at the same time, right? So it can lead for a collision. Non-persistent is what the station for a random time after sensing a busy medium. So if it senses it is busy, it will wait for a random time and then sends the chance of collision. But in P persistent, what it just sends in the probability with the probability same as one persistent, but instead of sending it sends with the probability of P, so which differs with probability 1 minus 1. That's it. Vulnerable time here is that vulnerable time is TP. In Aloha we had 2 TRF and TRF based on 2 times, but here it's just TP, that is the time for propagation, transmission time or the delay. Okay, so which is the time taken for a signal to propagate from one end to the of the another end of the medium. Collision can occur within this period of if two systems sense the medium and sense data simultaneously due to the propagation. So we have here advantages and disadvantages. You can see here reduce the probability of collision. See, it reduces collision compared to random access method like Aloha. Compared to Aloha, simple and efficient for networks with low moderate traffic. For low moderate, it is simple and efficient, whereas the disadvantage collision can still occur due to propagation delay. Because of propagation delay, collision can still occur. Performance degrades with increased network traffic due to frequent collisions and transmission. Performance delay chances are there due to the increasing network traffic. So key points, which is very good for you to understand what to say the whole answer in just 4 lines. Collision by sensing the medium before transmission. Types are there, 3 types. Vulnerable time is equal to propagation to the TP. Efficiency but still prone to collisions under high traffic. So this is just a conclusion we can write. So further we will discuss about CSMS/CD and CA in the next topics. Till then, thank you. All the best for the exam. Very well, and yeah, like and subscribe the channel.